Inside a grand courtroom in Atlanta, Judge Patricia Reynolds, a powerful yet notoriously biased figure, sits high on the bench. She has a reputation for favoring wealthy criminals and humiliating those who dare challenge her authority. Today, Detective Marcus Carter, a highly respected black detective with a flawless record, steps forward. He's been working on an explosive corruption case, one that leads directly to the judge herself. Judge Reynolds smirks. "Detective Carter, do you realize who you're accusing? A judge? Do you even understand how the law works?" She sneers, waving dismissively. Marcus remains calm. "Your Honor, the evidence speaks for itself. We have bank records, witness testimonies, and surveillance footage linking you to—"
Boom! Judge Reynolds slams her gavel. "Enough! This is my courtroom. You don't accuse me. You don't belong here." The courtroom erupts in murmurs. The tension is suffocating. The humiliation. Judge Reynolds leans forward, her face twisted with arrogance. "I should have you removed for wasting the court's time. You're just a detective, and I'm a judge. That's the difference between power and, well, whatever you are." Gasps fill the courtroom. Marcus clenches his jaw. He's been humiliated before. But this was personal. The judge turns to the officers present. "Take him out. Now." Security moves in. But Marcus? He doesn't resist. Instead, he smirks. "You have exactly 7 minutes before your whole world collapses, Judge." Judge Reynolds laughs. "Oh, really? 7 minutes? And then what? You think you'll have a miracle?" Marcus doesn't answer. He just looks at his watch.
As Marcus is being led away, his partner, FBI agent Lisa Brooks, enters the courtroom holding a USB drive. "Your Honor, I have urgent new evidence," Lisa announces. The judge rolls her eyes. "Oh, more nonsense?" Lisa plugs the USB into the courtroom's large screen. The video plays. On the screen, Judge Reynolds is seen in a private meeting with a known drug lord, Victor Salerno. She takes a thick envelope from him. Gasps fill the room. "What is this?" Judge Reynolds snaps. Lisa's voice is ice cold. "Evidence of your corruption." $500,000 transferred from Salerno's cartel to a hidden account, linked directly to Judge Reynolds. Lisa turns to the jury. This judge has been selling not guilty verdicts to criminals in exchange for cash. The judge's face goes pale. A second video plays. It's an undercover FBI sting. Judge Reynolds is on camera accepting another bribe just 2 nights ago. Lisa narrates. "We set up a sting operation. This footage? It's from our hidden cameras. You took a bribe to dismiss a murder case involving one of Salerno's men." The courtroom is silent. The judge's hands start to tremble. "This is illegal. You can't record private meetings." Lisa smiles. "You're mistaken. The FBI had a warrant, signed by the Chief Justice himself." The judge's breath catches. Marcus, still in handcuffs, calmly looks at the judge. "You thought you could humiliate me? You thought you were untouchable? Well, guess what? Your time's up." Lisa turns to the officers. "We have an arrest warrant for Patricia Reynolds on charges of bribery, obstruction of justice, and conspiracy to commit fraud." The officers look at each other, then at the judge. Judge Reynolds shakes her head. "No! No! I'm a judge! You can't arrest me!" The lead officer steps forward. "Actually, we can." As the judge stammers, 2 officers grab her arms and slap handcuffs on her. The courtroom erupts. People cheer. Marcus turns to the crowd, his voice steady. "Justice isn't about titles. It's about truth. And today, the truth won." As the judge is dragged away, Marcus smirks. "Told you. 7 minutes." The camera zooms in on Judge Reynolds being escorted out of the courthouse. Marcus stands tall. Justice has been served. Corruption has no place in the justice system. No one is above the law.